So what is Systemeio and how does it work? First and foremost, as you can see right here, it's going to be the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, at least by their description, of course. You can always find out for yourself because one of the biggest benefits about them is that they come with a free forever account. I will leave that link down below in case you want to try them out. It's going to be free, you don't need a card, and eventually if you wanted to upgrade, that's where obviously the paid programs come in. Aside from that, in this all-in-one marketing platform, it comes along with email marketing, funnel building, landing pages, websites, membership site management, and a lot of automation capabilities all within the single dashboard. The ability to integrate and have so many features in one platform will streamline various aspects of online marketing and business management for you, making it easier for just not you, but entrepreneurs, small business owners, and marketers to launch, manage, and scale your online presence. Aside from that, System can really benefit you by simplifying your operations, so you can manage multiple aspects of your online business through a single interface, reducing the need for multiple disjointed tools. It's also very cost effective. Let me head on over to the pricing to show you. And as you can see, Systemeio offers a more affordable solution compared to subscribing to several services, whether it be for like email marketing, website hosting, sales funnels, landing pages, and so on and so forth. Their biggest plan is going to be $97 a month where you get unlimited features, and everything aside from that, $27 and $47 a month is pretty good if you ask me. Aside from that, it is pretty easy to use. It's designed with a user-friendly interface, making it perfect for the beginner or newbie who's looking to get up and running, creating some landing pages, sales funnels, and so forth. Aside from that, there are going to be plenty of templates, as you can see here, when choosing to create a sales funnel. This is just going to be like more as you can go down here. I'll click on 30 so that you can see more, and scrolling down, which always makes it very helpful in terms of, say, creating a squeeze page, a thank you page. Of course, if you want to create more pages, you can do that. There's going to be the ability for automation rules, A/B testing. You have your stats, lead sales, and deadline settings, which is always cool. Another big benefit about System is the ability to scale. So the platform's tools and features are built to support business growth, which is always good. And like I said before, that's usually where upgrading is going to come in. And that's always a good thing because once you get to that stage, you're already ready to launch. Maybe you're already making sales. And really, when you do upgrade, a lot of the features that you're going to be getting make it very easy to cover that small monthly payment. In summary, Systemeio can benefit you by providing a versatile, cost-effective, and easy-to-use platform that supports the growth and management of your online business. That's pretty much what Systemeio is and how it works. Once again, I will leave my link down below in case you want to get their free forever plan, and if you need to upgrade, you can always do that in the future. I'm going to be doing many more videos about this, so in case you're not familiar with System, I'm going to be taking a re-look into it in this current year, see what it's got, how it works, and of course, how you can use it to benefit you, your online business, and of course, making money online. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.